Is your furnace running at its best? Discover how systematic inspections can prevent breakdowns and improve energy efficiency. Explore the benefits of digital tools in maintaining your furnace. Furnace maintenance involves routine inspections to ensure safe and efficient operation. Key components are checked, filters cleaned, and potential issues identified. eAuditor enhances this process with digital checklists and real-time tracking. Photo documentation and automated reporting make inspections accurate. Consistency is achieved through systematic digital tools. Log into eAuditor and select the Furnace Maintenance Checklist. Enter property details and review past reports. Assess the furnace's exterior for rust or debris. Ensure proper clearance space and document findings. Attach photos of any damage in eAuditor. Verify thermostat functionality for accurate temperature control. Inspect electrical connections for safety and reliability. Check safety switches for emergency shutoff capability. Mark components in eAuditor as needed. Attach photos and comments on any malfunctions. Ensure burners and heat exchangers operate safely. Check burner condition and flame appearance. Verify heat exchanger integrity and carbon monoxide levels. Record burner condition and attach photos. Comment on any repairs or cleaning needed. Assess blower motor condition and fan balance. Check belt tension and lubrication of moving parts. Verify venting system for safe exhaust of gases. Mark vents as clear or needing attention. Document any blockages with photos. Conduct a system functionality test for performance. Check for unusual noises and verify temperature settings. Confirm carbon monoxide detector and safety labels. Document whether the furnace passed all tests. Attach temperature readings and note any issues. Through systematic inspections, ensure your furnace operates efficiently and safely. Digital tools like eAuditor enhance accuracy and reduce downtime. Embrace these methods for optimal performance and energy savings.